Hello everyone, I am Deepika Chalasani, clinical nutritionist and a mind-body transformation coach. Today we are going to be talking about APS, which is anti-phospholipid syndrome. APS is an autoimmune disorder which could lead to impacting the development of a fetus and increasing the chances of miscarriages as well. Autoimmune disorder for anybody is when the body's immune system becomes overactive. In most cases, it's a poor diet that results in a leaky gut, which results in undigested proteins going into the bloodstream, which the body considers as foreign, and therefore the overactiveness. So the first stage to improve, or the first step to improve your autoimmune disorder, is to be starting to improve your gut microbiome and the mucous lining. So if you want to do that, there are 4 essential elements that we need to do consistently every day for at least 6 months to see benefits for the long term. The first is to have cell wall intact carbs with the most or the least amount of cell disruptions. For example, if I were to take a hand pound rice, it is less cell wall disrupted than a white rice. A brown rice is lesser cell wall disrupted than a hand pound rice. So choose the least cell wall disrupted carb that you would like to have that suits your digestive health. Second, have a variety of vegetables as whole from nature as possible, with most minimally cooked, and it should suit your palate. This is the only way to make it sustainable, because remember, it's the consistency of food that we have every day that is what is going to help improvement in the gut microbiome. Many of us do not like raw vegetables, or our digestive health does not support it. For so many of you who have these issues, then cook your vegetables, but cook it as minimally as possible and use condiments that suit your palate. Third, have adequate protein. 1 gram of protein per day per ideal body weight is important to be getting adequate protein. For example, if you're a 60 kilo person, then you should be looking to have 45 grams of protein at least, because if that is your ideal weight. If 60 kilos is your ideal weight, then you need to be looking at 60 grams of protein. This needs to be split between the 3 meals or the 4 meals you're having. Remember to count your proteins because most of India is protein deficient. 4, you must have essential good fats, because no matter how much of nutrients or what nutrients you have, if you do not have good fats, absorption of nutrients become an issue. APS clients, many of them abstain from vitamin K foods because they are on anticoagulants. Vitamin K is a vital nutrient and very crucial for important body functions like coagulation. So patients are advised to have 60 to 80 micrograms of vitamin K foods through different food groups. This is the surest way to ensure stable oral anticoagulants for your life and for your health without disrupting the impact of the blood thinners and improving your gut health. Since vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin, make sure your good fats that are there are enough to ensure there's an absorption. Finally, lot of you who are on, or lot of patients who are on anticoagulants and medications related to APS, the impact of this shows up on osteoporosis and other side effects or other ailments. Therefore, make sure to have calcium-rich foods so that you don't have osteoporosis, any bone-related health disorder in the long term.